It was a pretty good one right there at the stripe. We'll just double check that one with Bill Morris on the video. Oh, Falconi, McDowell, Suarez, Ingram, Aarons, and Moberly in and out of the second turn. Falconi on the top spot, running down through that third straightaway, looking for that 2, M&M colors. Trying to make it happen, got to be the king. Moberly on that 2 spot, down through that third straightaway. Aruba out front, though, running the show as they come in and out of the last turn. Trying to crank things up down the last straightaway. Moberly picks up that 2 spot. The 3 spot up for grabs. Here comes Aarons. Aarons on the move right now and locks it down for the 3. Back to the line, Suarez for the 4. Got a moto number 1 in the second round. Checking our down rider right away. Aaron Falconi Sunday. Aaron CBI looking for a top spot. Top 3 moving on with these guys right now as they come down that last straightaway. Falconi on the top spot. Back to line 22 in the 453 bike. Sunday in the 453 of Tarzan Salvador.